Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well, and today I want to explain what is excavation. So I'm humbly request please attach my YouTube channel, complete watching video and shares and like. Again I'm want tell you subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Today I'm tell you explain excavation related. What is called excavation? Excavation is the act or process of digging, especially when something specific is being removed from the ground. Use excavation to find artifacts and fossils. There are many types of excavation, but they all involve digging holes in the earth. What is excavate in construction? Excavation plays a fundamental role in the construction industry. It is a practice that involves the removal of rocks or soil from the ground in the order to prepare foundations from buildings by excavation, building trench. What is excavation in safety? OSHA defines an excavation as any man-made cut, activity, trench, or creation in the earth's surface formed by earth removal. A trench is defined as a narrow excavation in relation to its length made below the surface of the ground. What does excavable mean? Capable of being excavated. What is an excavation in engineering? Excavation is the process of moving earth, rock, or other materials with tools, equipment of excavations. It includes earthwork, trenching, wall sheets, tunneling, and underground excavation has a number of important applications, including exploration, environmental research, restoration, mining, construction. What is excavation and its types? Excavation is necessary to ensure that there is a solid base for the foundation of the structure that is built. While there are many types of excavation, they can be divided into main categories: mechanical excavation and vacuum excavation. It's picture of practical excavation. Hope you are understand this video, and thanks you are complete watching my video. Thank you so much.